A few years back, while working a 9-to-5, I had this incredible experience of building my very own wooden canoe in my personal garage. To this day, completing that first canoe was one of the most rewarding and satisfying projects I've ever done. After the canoe, looking for another project, I set out to build my own wooden paddleboard. Little did I know that this canoe and paddleboard would be the start of Jarvis boards. When I started, I didn't have a ton of woodworking experience, but the canoe turned out even better than I ever could have imagined. Since that first garage, we've grown and have been fortunate to build boards for a wide range of paddlers, from internet giant Google to NBA players and weekend warriors, and have received a ton of press, including having our boards featured on ESPN. While we love building boards for customers, something's been missing. I want others to share that same excitement that I first felt when I built my very first canoe all those years ago. Heading back to our roots, we're proud to launch a full range of kits and plans to make it as easy as possible for the backyard builder to create their own wooden paddleboard at home. I want as many people as possible to feel that same excitement and joy of building their own board, so we've adapted our production boards to kit form to make it easy for the backyard builder. If you've been remotely curious about taking this rewarding journey of building your own board, download a set of our digital plans today to get started. We'll throw in one of our free Little Jarvis miniature surfboard bottle openers, as well as a $20 coupon to use on our store.